Okay, hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you more about a physical property called density. So, what is density? Density is mass per unit volume. So, an object with lower density will float, and an object with a higher density will sink. So, let's take a look at an example, a piece of wood. Now, a piece of wood has lower density, which means when placed in a cup of water, it floats. Is density the same as mass? No, it's not. So for example, a piece of metal paper clip. A piece of metal paper clip is light. But let's take a look what happens when placed in a cup of water. So the piece of paper clip sinks because metal has high density. Now what we'll be working with for this demonstration is with a raw egg. Raw egg has higher density than water, so it sinks in a cup of water. Now, do you know a way of how we can make the raw egg float in this cup of water? Yes, you're right, by changing the density of water. You can change the density of water by adding salt. So density is mass per unit volume. When we add salt, the mass of the solution changes, hence the density changes as well. So let's add salt and see how the observation will be different. So we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of salt. When we add salt, the mass increases, and since the volume of water remains constant in the cup, the density of water increases as well. So after adding salt, the water now has a higher density than what it was before. So earlier on, the raw egg sinks because it has a higher density than water. So let's see what happens now. So the raw egg now actually has a lower density than salt solution, and it floats. Okay, do you think that it worked the same as well with sugar? Let's see. So we're going to repeat the experiment now using sugar. So again, raw egg sink in a cup of plain water. And then now I'm going to add sugar in the solution. I'm going to add about 7 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, and again we're going to stir. Now not all the sugar will eventually dissolve. Okay, so just stir as much as you can to dissolve as much as you can. And even if it does not dissolve, the mass of the solution actually changes. So let's see what happens to the egg in a cup of high concentration sugar. So the egg now has a lower concentration than sugar solution, and it floats. So hopefully this demonstration have given you a better understanding about density. I hope you get to try them at home. Oh, before that, just to prove that this is a raw egg. So are you ready to see the mess? So yeah, it is working with raw egg.